guys, how's it going? This is the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog for indorecipe.com, and for today's recipe it is chicken and beef meatballs in sweet sauce. It's basing on Indonesian dish called Semur. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye. So this is 2 whole eggs with 500-gram extra lean ground beef with 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, sorry, I have to think, and then 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper powder and 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, as well 1 heaping teaspoon, if not 2 teaspoon of chicken bouillon powder. We're just gonna mix this and then shape it into a round or a ball. So I have 4 large red potatoes here that I'm just gonna slice into cubes, and we're gonna fry them. So you want to just brown these cube potatoes. Now for the paste, this is 1 small onion with 8 garlics and 1/4 cup of water. We're just gonna process this into fine paste. The veggies, I have 30 pieces or 30 grape tomatoes with 2 bell pepper. We're just gonna slice or cube the bell pepper. Now you just want to cook them half cooked and remove them and put it on a paper lined plate so that it accumulate the oil. Now using the same pan and oil, you want to brown your meatballs as well. So like this, and shape into meatball and just drop it onto the pan. This is on low heat. Take out beef and place it on paper lined plate or bowl. I have 4 breasts here. Using the same plate, just brown the chicken or fry the chicken. With a little bit of leftover oil, we're gonna use a clean pot or pan. We're gonna saute our paste until fragrant. Then we're gonna add in our fried chicken, meatballs. This is low heat again. Sorry for the steam. 1 cup of water. 2 tablespoons of ketchup. 2 tablespoons of sweet soy sauce and 1/2 tablespoon of sesame oil. You don't have to mix it for now, just let it come to boil fully first and then you mix it after that. And season as well with chicken bouillon powder. Once it's boiling, now gently mix it and adjust the flavor. And we want to continue cooking until chicken completely cooked before we add in the other ingredients. And a little bit of rice vinegar, about 1 teaspoon, or adjusting to your liking. If you don't have rice vinegar, you can use white vinegar. The flavor is good. Now cover with lid and let it boil for 10 to 15 minutes until chicken completely cooked on low medium heat. After 10 to 15 minutes, add in your fried potatoes, followed with capsicum and baby tomatoes. And cook for another 5 or 8 to 10 minutes until capsicum a little bit softer.